Litecoin has been the third digital currency by market capitalization for quite a while. This crypto coin has been dynamic for more than 9 years at this point and has figured out how to find true success for the greater part of this period. Right now, it is as yet positioned among the main 30 digital currencies by market cap. Recently, there has been a great deal of talk occurring about how Litecoin has tumbled off. These days, all moving tokens are either connected to areas of strength for bring a ton to the table other than being a store of significant worth, or are just sufficiently idiosyncratic to be seen by tycoons. Notwithstanding having a strong specialized establishment, Litecoin doesn't actually have any of those things. Nonetheless, this digital money is as yet pushing ahead, and we are probably going to see the cost and market cap of Litecoin rise again from now on. In this video, we'll investigate Litecoin's basics and its possibilities as a drawn-out speculation. Kindly recollect that our LTC cost forecast doesn't comprise venture guidance, and you ought to do your own examination prior to concluding regardless of whether it's a wise speculation. What is Litecoin? Litecoin is a decentralized distributed cryptographic money made by Charlie Lee, a previous Google worker, in 2011. The LTC network was intended to take care of its senior siblings' organization issues, for example, exchange speed, versatility, and high commission charges for each monetary exchange made on the blockchain. Litecoin used to be one of the main cryptographic forms of money individuals learned of when they entered the market. As a fork of Bitcoin, the LTC network depends on the BTC convention. A portion of the things they share, practically speaking, are namelessness, decentralization, the capacity to be mined, and the agreement instrument. In 2016, Litecoin turned into the second greatest digital money, overwhelming all current altcoins around then. The task pointed not exclusively to support the pace of Litecoin's cost development, yet additionally to advance LTC as a trustless distributed mode of trade. The Litecoin establishment has never professed to straightforwardly rival Bitcoin. In actuality, they accepted that Bitcoin would act as the key computerized coin. In the meantime, Litecoin should humbly replace a valuable other option. Litecoin has had a couple of cost floods starting around 2016, yet has begun gradually tumbling down the market cap ranking. That occurred to some extent because of the way that the digital currency market developed dramatically, and with it, how much contest Litecoin had. Computerized resources like ethereum, which were more mechanically progressed than the Litecoin digital money, pulled in more crypto financial backers. These days, LTC is as yet utilized for fast and modest exchanges, yet a great deal of Litecoin expectations express that the coin needs more extensive reception and more organizations to sparkle really. Litecoin Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Litecoin costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Litecoin will be $57.55. The greatest level that the LTC cost can reach is $63.25. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $60.37. LTC value conjecture for November 2022. In light of the value vacillations of Litecoin toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical LTC pace of $59.19 in November 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $54.11 and at $60.88 individually. December 2022, Litecoin Value Gauge. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the LTC cost in December 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $57.55, while the greatest could reach $63.25 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Litecoin may be around $60.37. Litecoin Value Expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Litecoin in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Litecoin will be around $85.30. The greatest expected LTC cost might be around $103.16. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $87.72 in 2023. Litecoin Value Forecast 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Litecoin, in 2024, LTC is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $123.08 and $149.65. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $127.46. Litecoin Value Expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have dissected the costs of Litecoin and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base LTC cost could drop to $182.44, while its most extreme can reach $214.08. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $188.82. Litecoin Value Expectation 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Litecoin by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least LTC costs are normal in 2026, $318.95 and $270.29. By and large, it will be exchanged at $279.74. Litecoin Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the vacillations of Litecoin. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical LTC cost will be around $406.43. It could drop to at least $392.44. However, it actually could reach $473.91 all through 2027. Litecoin Value Forecast 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists plan figures at the cost of Litecoin. It is assessed that LTC will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $551.75 and $691.24 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $568 during the year. Litecoin Value Expectation 2029. Digital currency experts are prepared to declare their assessments of the Litecoin's cost. The year 2029 still up in the air by the greatest LTC cost of $965.65. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around $821.29. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $849.69. Litecoin Value Forecast 2030. Following quite a while of examination of the Litecoin cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their LTC cost assessment to 2030. It will be exchanged for something like $1,133.59, with the conceivable most extreme tops at $1,429.92. By and large, you can anticipate that the LTC cost should be around $1,176.06 in 2030. Litecoin Value Expectation 2031. Digital currency investigators are prepared to report their assessments of the Litecoin's cost. The year 2031 still up in the air by the greatest LTC cost of $1,995.34. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $1,645.08. Anyway, the normal typical exchanging cost is $1,692.11. The way that high can Litecoin's cost practically go? Litecoin's record-breaking high is somewhat more than $400. Right now, that's what we feel. Everything being equal, the LTC cost can go up to about $1,000 sooner rather than later. Would it be a good idea for me to purchase Litecoin or Ethereum? Both ETH and LTC are high-risk, high-reward resources. In spite of the fact that Ethereum would normally be a superior fit for most portfolios, you ought to explore both of these crypto resources before you decide. Is Bitcoin better than Litecoin? Litecoin and Bitcoin have numerous likenesses. All things considered, LTC is a fork of BTC. Regardless, they have different hash capabilities, and Litecoin was explicitly intended to deal with exchanges multiple times quicker than Bitcoin. Notwithstanding, Bitcoin has a lot higher market cap and cost. What is superior to Litecoin? There are numerous digital currencies